kuye kwahamba isikhathi ke ekukhuleni kwethu emshadweni kwasho ukuthi siyaklasha kakhulu. Ngingasho ngithi bekangi-abuser emotionally. Ube umuntu ethi yena akanamfazi ozosebenza, bengafuni ngisebenze and benganginakekeli.
Uma uthwala bakufaka endlini bese bekutshengisa umyeni wakho.
Hey, ukuthwala kunzima bhuti uma ngifuna uqamba mama ngisane anger even today. Because bayakuthwala uzihambela maybe emgwaqweni or wenzele i-setup, bakhulume nabangani bakho or umakhelwane wakho, mina basebenzisa umakhelwane. Mangaba bebona ukuthi unamandla bayambuza lo ozokuthatha ukuthi ongumyeni wakho ukuthi lo muntu uzomkhona yini mawufika endlini ngeke akuhlule. Remember I was a virgin. Ukusa eroomini lakhe and umthetho wa that side it's not allowed ukuthi ukhale emzini womuntu. Once was screama emzini womuntu kuleso simo, umndeni wakho sekuzomela uhlawula inkomo ukuthi wena uyawohlaza emzini abantu ohlambalaza ngokuthi uyokhala, which means mase ungenile lapho awusakhali, you're not allowed to cry. I never loved him. Angifuna ukukhuluma iqiniso, angikaze ngamthanda. Into okuthiwa i-feeling yokuthanda umuntu ngiqale out of my marriage, ukuzwa into okuthiwa ukuthanda umuntu kanti into enje
ukhumbula
umuntu. Sengikhuluma nge-feeling ukuthi because indlela ngashada ngayo yangibulala, into okuthiwa i-feeling empilweni yami. You understand? Into okuthiwa imizwa yangibulala because ngathola umuntu wayengenathando, umuntu wayengena care ukuthi ngizizwa kanjani, wayevele adlove nje.